Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on management and overview. By the end of the video, you will learn about meaning and definition of management, nature of management, characteristics of management and administration and management. You will also learn about the importance of management, functions of management and challenges of management. Imagine embarking on a journey through time, where the pyramids of Egypt rise from the sands, and the bustling cities of the Indus Valley civilization thrive. These ancient marvels are not just wonders of engineering but also monuments to the art and science of management. Yes, management, a practice as old as civilization itself, orchestrating human effort towards a common goal. As we delve into the world of management, let's remember, it's all around us. From organizing a meal to running a multinational corporation, management is the invisible hand guiding our efforts towards success. It's the art of getting things done, but not just any art. It's an art that demands the mastery of science, principles, and human intuition. The essence of management lies in its goal-oriented approach, an activity designed not just to act but to achieve. It's about steering a group of people towards a common objective, making the most of every resource at our disposal. Mary Parker Follett, a pioneer in this field, elegantly defined management as the art of getting things done through the efforts of others. This definition, though simple, encapsulates the core of management, utilizing human effort efficiently and effectively. But what makes management tick? Is it a science governed by universal laws, or is it an art relying on the creativity and intuition of the manager? This debate has raged for years, with compelling arguments on both sides. On one hand, management thrives on principles, laws, and theories, much like a science. It uses systematic analysis, experiments, and methodological rigor, aiming to predict and control organizational outcomes. Yet, on the other hand, management is deeply personal, an art that demands the touch of experience and the vision of leadership. It's about applying skills and competencies, about making decisions that no algorithm could predict. This duality makes management a unique field, one that straddles the line between predictability and innovation. Diving deeper, let's explore the nature of management as both a profession and a discipline. Like any respected profession, management is grounded in a body of knowledge requiring formal education, ethical conduct, and a commitment to excellence. It's a field that has evolved, embracing the rigors of science and the flair of art, to guide organizations through the complexities of the modern world. Management's characteristics further reveal its multifaceted nature. It's a group activity, relying on the synergy of collective effort. It's universal, applicable across sectors and cultures. It's a continuous process, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of business and society. And importantly, it's objective-driven, always with an eye on the prize. But how does management translate into action? Through its functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling, and budgeting. Each function is a thread in the fabric of organizational success, woven together by skilled managers. The distinction between management and administration offers further insights. While these terms are often used interchangeably, their nuances matter. Administration focuses on policy formulation and the broader strategic vision, whereas management is about bringing those policies to life, handling the day-to-day operations that keep the wheels turning. Management plays a pivotal role across all types of organizations, driving growth and ensuring the achievement of objectives. Its essence lies in the artful balancing of resources, guiding teams, and adapting to change. Effective management is akin to a conductor in an orchestra, ensuring that each resource, be it human, financial, or material, performs in harmony to produce the desired symphony of success. Management is the bridge between the present and the desired future. Through careful planning, it envisions a path marked by strategic milestones, ensuring that the organization navigates towards its goals with foresight and precision. Organizing within an organization is like building a complex yet efficient machine. Each part, employee, is placed precisely where its function is maximized, creating a structure where authority flows seamlessly and responsibilities are clear. Staffing is not just about filling positions. It's about discovering talent, nurturing skills, and placing individuals where they can shine and contribute most effectively to the organization's success. Directing is the art of inspiring your team to move towards the organization's goals. It's about clear communication, motivation, and leadership that guides each member to perform at their best. Controlling is ensuring the organization's journey towards its objectives stays on course. It involves setting benchmarks, measuring progress, and adjusting strategies to keep everything aligned with the goals. Globalization brings a world of opportunities and challenges. It demands that managers think globally but act locally, understanding and bridging cultural differences to operate effectively in a global marketplace. Technology is a double-edged sword, offering tools for advancement while challenging us to keep pace with its rapid evolution. Managers must harness this power, integrating new technologies to drive innovation and efficiency. Workforce diversity is a mosaic of human potential. Managing this diversity means weaving together the unique strands of individual talents into a tapestry that represents the organization's culture and values. Innovation is the lifeblood of competitive advantage. It requires a culture that celebrates creativity, where every idea is a seed that can grow into a breakthrough, transforming challenges into opportunities. Ethics and administration are the compasses that guide an organization's journey, ensuring it navigates the complex waters of international business with integrity and respect for global standards. Quality and cost are the scales on which businesses are weighed. Managers must strike a balance, crafting products and services that meet high standards of excellence without compromising affordability. Change management is the ability to ride the winds of change, transforming uncertainty into a strategy for growth. It's about leading with vision, ensuring that every shift in the market or technology is an opportunity for development. That's all we had for this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.